Good morning. This is Madanachari, contract lecturer working at GPW Jogipet. Today we are going to discuss Unit 1 Speaking Skill. From the speaking skill, we are going to learn the topic is making a request. What is the topic? Topic name is making a request. Okay, what it means by the request? Okay, why do we make the request? Means when we want to seeking the help from the others, we are going to make a request. Okay, the request manner is always be acceptable. Okay, if we are in the request manner, automatically the other person who is going to help, who is ready to help you. So that always everyone should maintain this kind of manner, request manner. Okay, now what is the topic? Topic is making a request. Okay, then what we are going to learn from this topic? What we are going to learn from this topic means outcomes of this topic. If we have learned this topic, then what we have learned? Okay, first thing, learn some ways of making a request, and the second one is learn some ways of offering help. Okay, don't always be take the help. Sometimes we may be ready to help the others. Means not only grab the help of the others always is not a good thing. Sometimes according to our wish, according to our possibility, we also ready to help the others. So that we should keep in our mind, don't be selfish, ready to help the others also. Then especially for the sake of making a request, we are going to use some modal verbs. Means by using this kind of modal verbs, we can make the sentence perfectly. Okay, of course, sometimes we may simply ask you help me. Okay, of course, this is not a politeful manner. So that for making the politeful manner, or make others to help us, we are going to use a few models. Okay, apart from these models, we are going to use would, could, would, could. Okay, sometimes we may use can also. Can, of course, can is also useful to make the request, but it may not be in the proper way. Sometimes, of course, it may be acceptable, but sometimes it may not be a proper way to make the others to help us. Okay, here we have some models. We are going to observe can, could, may, might, must, should, will. Okay, apart from these models, mostly we are going to use could and would. Could and would. Of course, we have here we don't have the would, but the first place is going to would or could to make a request others. Okay, okay, asking for help. Okay, here we have a few sentences we are going to ask, or by using the modal verbs, how we are going to ask the others, how we are going to make others to help us. Okay, the sentences are, here are some ways to ask someone to help you. The first sentence is, would you mind helping me? Would you mind helping me? Could you help me? Would you help me? Will you help me? Can you help me? Of course, these four modal verbs shows a request manner. But apart from these four modals, would and could are more politeful comparing the remaining two. Okay, so that mostly prefer to use would and could. Of course, will or can also used to make request, but comparing these two, would and could are the more politeful words Then here there are some other ways to ask help. Could you help me out? Could you do me favor? Could you do me favor? Could you give me a hand? Could you lend me a hand? Okay. Here we have an information. Making request, asking someone to do something for you. These are the most common ways for making request. Could you? Would you mind? Can you? Okay. Of course, will you also use. But mostly, apart from these modal verbs, mostly I advise to use could and would while we are expecting the help or while we are seeking the help from the others. Okay, so that better use the would and could. If not possible, then go for the can and will. But first we have to prefer to give importance to would and could. Here some modal verbs are also there. Means here we are going to discuss about the can. Can is one of the most commonly used modal verb in English. Can is used with different meanings as a modal verb. Okay, here we have a few examples by using the can. Okay, in the first sentence it shows ability. Ability means I can speak 5 languages. While we are strongly admired us, okay, at the time we may use can. Okay, means here according to the first sentence it shows our ability, it shows your confidence also. Then request, in second sentence request, can you make me tea? Can you make me tea? Means here, of course, the same can in the second sentence it reflects a request. And go for the next one. Permission. Can I use your bike? Can I use your bike? Means here also it may be in the form of a request manner. Okay. Can I use your pen? Can I use your book? Next, offer. Can I help you with this? Can I help you? Can I bring water for you? Can I bring your luggage? Can I bring your luggage? Can I bring something for you? Okay, here offering help. And the next one is a possibility. Smoking can cause cancer. Possibility means it may happen. Okay, it may happen. Okay, smoking can cause cancer. Then here we have a few sentences. We will if we observe these sentences we will get an information. May, shall, let, would, could. Okay, mostly we are going to observe the first three: may, shall, let. May I help you? Okay, generally we are going to observe this kind of sentences in the offices, hospitals, or wherever we go. Okay, generally we are going to observe this kind of sentences. Means here we are going to offer the help. Okay, I am ready to help you. I am ready to help you. If you accept, I am ready to help. May I help you? Or how can I help you? Okay, means here we are offering help. Next, shall I get you a glass of water? Okay, this is also offering help. Next, let me do it for you. Let me do it for you. Means here also I am ready to do it for you. For the sake of you, I am ready to do anything. Means here by using these three, may, shall, let, reflects offering help. Means of course would, could also, but mostly these would and could, these modal verbs mostly used for the sake of making the request. But here the remaining three, may, shall, let, reflects offering help. Okay, offering help. Can I help you? Shall I open the window for you? Would you like me? Okay, like this. Shall can and will are followed by the verb without to. Okay. She, shall is particularly British English and is more far. Okay. If you go through the sentences, we can get the information. And we have an additional information. Offering help is quite common in conversation. It includes the meanings of suggestions also. Sometimes not only offering help, sometimes it may be in the form of suggestion also, strong suggestion also. What can I do for you? Or you think I can help you? It's my pleasure to help you. Shall I? May I be for any assistance? Is there anything I can do? I'll do it for you. Okay, here we have, if we observe these sentences reflects the offering helps also. Okay, this is the topic, making a request.